Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your account statements on the M1 Finance app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your account statements for tax purposes, or maybe you need to provide proof of documentation. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the M1 Finance app, then click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Documents, then go ahead and click on Statements. Now, once you click on Statements, you can see here that these are all individual monthly statements that you can actually go ahead and print or use. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your account statements on the M1 Finance app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.